bed, sea. There's summer Palma. Wasn't the best sleep. Wind is really strong, but I'm gonna do this. Oh! I don't even touch the water. I'm gonna go to town. I need to sit down and research hostels and read the reviews. The hotel. Can you give me one room, please? Stunning views. I think I need to get there. A lot of walking. It's so windy. I just love Spanish town, Spanish city. Perfect places to ride a bike, walk, run. Really beautiful Spain sidewalk. Free water, let's go. Choo choo. What is this? Oh my god, I'm completely wet. I need to check everything in my bag. I'm gonna be sick definitely. That's my setup. My phone on a tripod. I feel most of the time using this. I found there's like better quality. I'm struggling a lot, but you know, you don't care. Just want to go to hostel, take a shower and go to sleep. 1 hour to hostel. My legs giving up. 22.5 euro for hostel. Entire day I just walk. That's welcome to my channel. Nice view from hostel. Cool showers. Like that. After a 2-hour nap, famous cathedral. So windy, so you're probably not gonna hear me. We are in Palma de Mallorca, off season. No blank British people. That's the beautiful cathedral. Ta-da! The Pinnacle Church, like in Milan, similar. That's what I love Spain, just walking around streets, nice weather, see people in restaurants enjoying their lives and thinking how they can afford that. Someone is missing a ball, you know, what happened. What I like about Spain. Love it. Another empty place in this town. I'm in my hostel, so this is my bed here. It's me, yo. Cool, but tomorrow I'm gonna change the hostel to the other side of the town. The top of this hostel. There is the view. Wow, stadium. That's why I cannot fly my drone. Maybe tomorrow. Today I spent 22.5 euro on hostel. That's it. Street workout park. Let's go. Habits. Push-ups and pull-ups, as always. So bad. No sleep. I took too much to camera, it's probably more boring, but I see small improvement. Almost 47,000 steps, 32 kilometers. Not bad, not bad. So see you tomorrow. Time to edit, sleep. Empty Mallorca. Where are the people?